Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through Negril, and Negril is probably one of the most popular locations in Jamaica. It's known the world over because of its beaches, and you're going to find hundreds of hotels in Negril. Hundreds, from the ultra all-inclusive 5 stars like Sandals, Royalton, Hedonism, Rio, to villas, Airbnbs, guest houses, you name it. Any kind of experience that a tourist wants, any price range, anything you're going to find in Negril. The entire town is basically built to support the tourism industry and to support these hotels. It's basically like when you're in Negril, you probably don't even remember you're in Jamaica. But when you're in these ultra all-inclusive hotels, you don't have to worry about the regular things you worry about. It's just like a complete vacation experience. Alright, so this part of Negril now has the larger hotels because this is where you find the land, the space where you can build these hotels. As you get closer to Negril, you're going to find the older hotels that are smaller, and that's because when Negril was being developed, it wasn't as popular a destination as it is now. So persons used to build like a 100-room hotel or a 20-room hotel and guest house. But as Negril grew, the hotels grew as well. Now on the left is the Cool Runnings water park, and that's the largest water park in Jamaica. Now on the right is one of those ultra all-inclusive 5 stars we were talking about, and this hotel, it has probably 1,000 rooms, if not more. And new hotels are being built every day in Negril, but they have to go further into the Hanover side because that's where you find the space. And I'm not 100% sure, but I think the only town that might have more hotels than Negril is Montego Bay. But if you take the West End into account, Negril would have more hotels. So let's take a tour through Negril. And we are on the Norman Manley Boulevard, and that's the main road that takes you through Negril. So on the right is the beaches property, and this is another one of the larger hotels. Beaches is a part of the Sandals group, but Sandals is an adults only hotel, and Beaches is the family part of the brand. So kids are allowed at Beaches, but Sandals is a couples only hotel. Sandals is the largest hotel chain in Jamaica, and also the Caribbean. So this side on the grill now, you're going to find the smaller hotels and the older ones, because these were built as Negril was becoming a tourist destination. But when Negril exploded as one of the top locations, that's when the larger hotels that we just passed, and they are also the newer ones, they started to build those. As you can see, they have these like very small sleeping policemen, more like tracks, I guess to prevent people from speeding. On the right is Margaritaville, but it's so annoying to go over them. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.